Did everyone have a pretty good lunch hour? Looks like we did. Continue selling down and clear out those 400s. Oh. Let me make sure I'm on a eval here. I don't want to. I took a few more little. Trying to take some more little funded trades with a couple micros here. Looks like we're having a nice little pushback up there. We're just going to trade with 3 micros this evening. So I hate that it got there and just hesitated here. We won't risk, but we'll risk 5 points. How about that? I don't want to do the full 10. So we'll be in this trade for 30 bucks and see if we can get the. We retested the 200 once. We pulled back, retested the 50. So I feel like we need to bring if we want to bring the rest of these EMAs up, probably going to have to get up above the 200 moving average again. Couldn't do it. Well, we do have a fair value gap here, so it could just be filling in that gap there. Let's see. And it's right at it, so we may get to the top of that. We're going to go to break even because it's just struggling to move higher here. Woo, I don't know about you guys. I'm definitely ready for the weekend. Oh, all right. We got that first target out of the way. Well, shoot. Already got both our targets. Man, you could have taken this trade here too. The only thing I didn't like about that one is just we're heading into the 200 moving average. Let's see if we can pull back, retest this gap, then maybe we can see if we can get another long out of this. Oh, and we missed the opportunity. Yeah, I was going to say, watch out for the pullback here. Anytime that our EMAs are, all of our moving averages are below the 200 moving average, you're going to get pullbacks once you pop above that 200. Let's see if we can get, oh man, if I can get a little bit, man, I was hoping a little bit deeper back into this area here, but that would have been a pretty good fair value gap trade there. You at least got your 10 points. What's up? You're going to be slinging the live accounts this evening? What for? What are you doing that? What are you slinging the live ones around for? What's up, Trader G? How's your day been? We had a pretty wild sell-off today, man. I hope you were a part of it. I feel like my mic is way too... What did I say? Anytime we kind of pop our head above that 200 moving average and our other EMAs are below it, there's always a sellback. I really got to figure out how to time these shorts when we come back through the 200. Look, we had two good trades. Look, if you'd have took this trade off the 200, this freaking thing paid 30 points. Let's see how much we paid going back through it this time. So your entry would have been right here in the 80s, 80 to 87. Let's just say you got entered. So far, you're looking at almost 20 points. A long work day. I was able to get a 100-point trade earlier this morning, Trader G. That's only like my third one, I think, maybe four. We ain't had very many of them, and one of them was on a sim account. Oh goodness. Unfortunately, we're just kind of chopping back and forth. I mean, this is pretty much scalping. Probably wouldn't look for no more than like 10 points at the most, or at least get all your contracts off at the 40 ticks, then just leave runners to see if you can get your runner breakouts. That's pretty much what we've been doing today, is get our 10 points or 40 ticks and leave runners. I either like to have 2 or 3 runners on the 50Ks. I think there's a couple times where we went in with like 15 micros. We sold 12 or 13 off at 10, and then you would have 2 or 3 runners left over. Yes, sir, Andy. Power hour almost every day. Methodical man, you have to let us know what you're doing over there, since you're going to be porting your live accounts. That's kind of, I can't believe you're doing that. Yeah, I like this long here too. I feel like we could possibly push back up to the 200s again. But I don't know about trading on my... I don't know if I feel comfortable enough to... with funded accounts, but eval definitely. I would hope that since this is the 3rd time through that we'll get a big push up if we're going to move higher. If the ES can get through those 92s, I think you'll be good. But right now you're at that support level 92s from like 2 weeks ago. I don't know if you remember that, Methodical man. I keep them marked out in red whenever we had support levels, even if it's a couple weeks out from Manzini support levels. We're getting through the 92s. I like to see a retracement of the 5906s. Trader G slinging the big boy accounts around. See if we can get back through this gap here. Oh, you're asking Methodical man if he's slinging the big counts away around. Woo, go baby, go. Oh yeah, same here, Trader G. It's not my favorite either. I hate that this is the 3rd time that we've tried to get back above the 200. So, well, it's a baby body body candle. So, may at least run that wick back up to the 200s at the 82. All right, we broke those 92s. We're trying to get back above the 95s. That's kind of the level the ES has been stuck at the last couple tries. This will be the 3rd try that we've tried to get through those 95s. Just can't get up there. Come on. Where'd you get long from, Methodical Man? Oh, okay. You're still good. What'd you do? Get in on this gap trade here? Wow. There we go. It took a few tries, but man, it finally got up there. All right, so far, guys, there's not really a lot for me to do as far as entry goes. We'd have to have either a decent pullback or we'd have to kind of curl back around. I mean, it looks like we want to move higher. It's just grinding higher. Maybe if it offers another entry on a pullback back to the 70s or something. If we do jump in, it's only going to be on 3 micros. We're just trying to hold on to our Friday profit. There's no reason to over leverage or go for nothing big. All right, we're back above the 200 moving average. There comes the equal highs that they said was at the 93s. Nice. Man, what do you think? We have a big old run up for the rest of the day? This is a longevity trade. We're going to try to stay in this as long as we can. I'm just going to see if we're just going to run up the rest of the day. Like I said, we're only entering on a, what? Like I said, 3 micros. We're risking 60, about $100 on this 50K. Yeah, I'm not expecting. I want to see if it's going to move up for the rest of the evening, Methodical Man. Oh, well, we're not on no funded account there, guy. We're we're on a 50K trading 3 micros. Okay, so we got to hold that 58.99 for the bulls. All right. You think we sell? Yeah, I'm usually not a big fan above the longs whenever the rest of our EMAs are below the 200s because I know we're going to probably have to have a freaking pullback into these. Well, the most we'll lose is $100 at the most. We're long into an imbalance. All right, well, I guess we can close and just keep our losses to a minimum. I'll wait and see if 94 holds up. We start losing this 94, 92 area, we'll just close the trade. It's curling too. All right, I'll cut my losses. We don't want it to retest in 99 because that'll put us back where we were just at. Yeah, I didn't know until you said something about the 99s. I was thinking it was the 5906s that we could possibly push up to. Dude, it's definitely could have lost a lot less. I think my entry was what, 9002 or 92. It's too late, man. Unclose the trade. Don't hindsight me with that 513. Let's see, 513. Oh, it's all good, salvage. Like I said, we're not trading. We're only trading a couple micros. Oh, this level here. No, I would. If I'd have stayed in it, I probably would have stayed in it because that came and hit my entry there. So I still would have stayed in it. No, we're not putting no boys on the table. Not in no Friday evening. Oh, no, you're good. Oh, no fighting today there, Pine Tree. Hey, Power Hour is all about a little bit of being on the gambling side, trying those I think trades. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of wait and see what the ES does as far as getting back above the 99 level here. I mean, 92 did hold up. That was the one level we were kind of watching, that 92. Oh, he's talking about the Jake Paul Mike Tyson fight. No, I don't think so. I mean, I haven't thought about it, honestly. I mean, I've seen it places, but I don't usually ever watch boxing. I can barely talk. My voice is so hoarse today. Isn't it just kind of like a sparring? Or are they really real? Is it like real fighting? Or are they just sparring? Oh, it's Expedition. Okay. I'm going to wait till we break out of this trend. Oh, shoot. I probably got in a little too early. I should have waited for the print below the trend. There it goes. I was about to say, damn. It's like we broke out of the trend. The only thing that worries me is this freaking 71 level here. This is kind of like your 50 EMA here. So we're only in this trade for what, 60 bucks? This particular trade we're in for 60 bucks. Back down to about 71, we will go to break even. I don't like the fact that it's taking too long to move down. Still struggling to get through these 92s on the ES. We got to get through the back through the 92s. I don't know if you guys remember a couple weeks ago, these 92s were just straight up like a wall. 92 to 95. As you see, we're just going back and forth between the 92 and 95. If we can get one more push down, we'll go to break even. Damn, it's like, man, this thing got stuck. It got stuck. Damn. I was trying to short this trend line, but it looks like it's going to fail on us. But Eric, we're only in this trade for $60. Eh. All right. Looks like we're going to get stopped out on this one. Come on. Ah, shoot. Just so you guys know, like I said, I'm using the account that we had today. This account we're up $872, so that's why we're just trading it with low, like $50, $60 trades. Yeah, I tried to get this trend line breakout right here. See how we've been just moving up like this? I thought as once we got below this trend, we would continue down. It probably is. It just pulled back to stop me out, and watch it go now. Just so you guys know, there is no like setups most of the time during power hour. A lot of these are just I think trades. So there's really no, like, to me, no good setups. I'm over here thinking. I'm thinking like you. I think we're going back down. We just got to get moving in that direction. Yeah, you're already short. In the 4 hour chart, the price is in the OTE zone. Are you still holding your short, methodical man? I think I'm gonna wait till closer to the death candle and just see if I can find an entry there. Because we done tried twice, and one's lost, one break even, then another small loss. So we done lost like a couple $100, $200 since we've started. Because we were like right at $1,000 today on this account. Then the last couple has cost us $200. Touch your PP and go short. That's okay. We'll wait. Well, that's why we're only trading 3 micros there, methodical man, so we don't get wrecked. We risk less than like $60 or $70 a trade. His stop loss is at the highest. He probably doesn't even have a stop loss. He's like, screw it. I'm going to put it up here. It's either all or nothing. Oh, goodness. It looks like we're moving back below the 200, though. I mean, it looks like we're curling back around. What's the ES doing? Did the ES get below the 92s? Nope, not quite. We're still battling the 92s on the ES. Eh. There comes the short, guys. Maybe that was the breakout, but kind of an ugly breakout. So we should, if we hit the 62, we should reject off the 62. Let's see if that's going to happen. Or if not, we'll push through and probably sell back up through from the 62 to retest the 9 and 20. Boom, look at the rejection off of the 62. I'm kind of liking this moving average. Man, that thing is like money sometimes. And a magnet also. If we can pull back up, we may try to find an entry there with you, Methodical Man. Oh, you got stopped, didn't you? Because you had 90 as your stop. No, it's the it's the volume weight moving average, where VWAP is the volume. Did I get that right? Yeah, volume moving average. That one's I think price. The VWAP is a price moving average. That level, it's on Ninja. Or that indicator. Damn. As right now, we're probably going to miss this whole short down. I hate whenever I get in the shorts because you can see the short coming and it's just, I just got stuck in freaking consolidation. Dang it. Dude, that's so annoying. Damn, are we going to push all the way back down to the lows again? All right, so the next level down for is going to be your 88. Definitely like to see a little bit deeper pullback if we can get one. What time is it? Oh, shoot. Woo, where do you think we're going, Methodical Man? I want to try to get an entry before the death candle. I mean, I feel like we want to move down. Do you feel like we're moving going to go lower? I got a minute left. All right. We're gonna enter these next trade, but like I said, this crap can go either way. This is gonna be your death candle. So this thing can either go up 100 points or go down 100 points. $20 seconds. All right, here comes. Let's see what we get on the death candle. Look away, guys. Look away. 2 seconds. No, it did not tick. Oh, no, it didn't. Oh, I missed my entry. I'm not going to risk any more than what we already got, 60 or 20 points. So we'll have to take a loss on that one. Come on, 200, hold up. Man, if I was in that just a tad bit early, I could have got filled on that one. Going to run the wick. Right now, we're just kind of stuck in the middle. I'm hoping it runs the lower wick first. Ah, nope. There, we just bounced off that freaking blue line again at the 65s. Just cannot get through that moving average there. So it looks like we're going to get stopped out. We got back down at the middle for that. I was having wishful thinking that maybe we would run the bottom wick first. The ES just ran its wick, so damn, the ES is just boo-cooing up there. All right, let's go. Probably going to get stopped out on this one, guys. Yeah, that's what I use to trade off is the NQ Eric. So anytime you're playing with that def candle, it could go either way on you guys. So I mean that's pretty much kind of like I call it a gambling trade because basically that's what it is. They called you crazy when you're looking for longs. So it was a crappy power hour for me, guys. We lost like $250 in power hour. We were right at $1,000 in this account before power hour. So we got smashed in power hour today. Yeah, like I said, there's going to be definitely no more trades for me today. We've already lost enough in power hour. We don't need to lose any more. That's why I don't usually trade my funded accounts in power hour, just because it's always kind of like iffy for me. Well, I'm not getting short or long no more, methodical man. Now, is that because it bounced off that O2 level up there that you were talking about? Or you're seeing if we break below that 98 level? All right, guys, we're in the last minute of the. I don't know. It's just straight chopping right now, so I don't know how it would feel, which way it would go. Oof. Whoa, that thing's just crazy bouncing. You called the reclaim long? Nice, trader. All right, guys, that's basically the market close. I'm just going to kind of watch and see what's going to happen. We're going to have the huge run up at the end of the day. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me today. And we will see you guys Monday morning. So maybe Sunday night. All right. All right, guys, everyone have a good weekend. You're going long? I thought you just went short. Oh, you reversed. Oh. All right, guys. Everyone have a good weekend.